Trenton, Ontario.
Sounds heavy, doesn't it? That's a big airplane. That's a lot of airplane. Beautiful. And the sound of history off to the left. Sentimental Journey rolled off the Douglas assembly line in late 1950. Right under the rainbow. In the sky in front of us now. Fly faster, higher, and farther, and they carry heavier loads while burning less fuel. They can use shorter landing and takeoff fields, and their climb time reduced by up to 50% compared to the older models. They and look at this, the very latest technology in the brand new Hercules.